I'm Susan. Today I'm working on week 29 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts are something that turns or spins, and I'm using Fred Astaire. He was such a great dancer and so smooth, but he definitely did lots of turns and spins. A key or keys, and I've got these stickers that I'm going to use. A ticket of any kind, I've got these. A portion of a brochure advertisement. I got this old Pepsi Cola where they were sending out albums to the troops. And this and Fred Astaire came from a Life magazine that was honoring 1945. So I thought that was cool. And I've got a building, and our place is New York. So I've got the Wall Street sign. I wished I had Broadway with Fred Astaire, but I don't. But this collage is basically your New York. So I hope you'll enjoy this. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP29. I'll have it listed in my description box, and I'll have the hashtag listed in my title as well. So all you have to do is click on it. So without further ado, let's get started. Here it is. This one was pretty simple. I didn't do a lot of embellishment because of the time period, but I've got something that turns or spins, and that's Fred Astaire. A key or keys, I've got my key. A ticket of any kind, and I've got 3 tickets. A portion of a brochure advertisement. I've got advertisement, and you can only see a portion of it. A building and a place, and with the Wall Street and the building, it's New York. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP29. There are some amazing, talented people there. So until next time, bye y'all.